Talking back in the day, before I used to MC, when D-Power Diesel was just a DJ, and I was in a jungle vibe, selling records from 9 to 5. I used to go cool school and to Leopard just to hear Shabba and Skibber bust mic. Then I lost the vibe, then UKG come alive. I'm talking Munchie, talking EZ, Heartless and all them guys. Then linked up with G, and then came 923, and then came Wiley, then came Dizzy, Kano and D-Double-E. And grime was alive. It was hard, but we still survived. I know music evolves with time, but I thank you, Lord, that grime's still alive. And I bust the mic. Now I'm a lord of the mic. Now I've linked up with Mos Def. 2012 is a whole next height.
When we come to the party,
I could hear them howling from afar. I saw them